Now, Shehzad.
See, first of all, they have said that in this particular case, where have we absolved Pakistan, where have we absolved terrorism? Anuma Acharya, official spokesperson of Congress. This is being done to divert attention from pollution issue. Official spokesperson of Congress, Tariq Anwar Saab. I endorse what Abu Azmi said. These people are innocent who are being caught. Official spokesperson of Congress Party, Hussein Dalwai. Why are innocent Muslims being rounded up? Official Samajwadi Party spokesperson, Abu Azmi, ki निर्दोषों को पकड़ा गया despite being caught with 2,900 kilos of explosives. And if you don't want to see too much in the past, like 2611 Samjhauta, where you gave clean sheet to Pakistan, see what you did in Pahalgam. In Pahalgam, Hindutva has done it. Arey, we should believe Pakistan when Pakistan says it has not done Pahalgam. Saifuddin shows. Now they are saying, why don't we have war with Pakistan? Sir, 2611 ke baad, yahi Chidambaram, whom you are saying best finance minister, home minister said na, that we were not even allowed to take action on Pakistan despite Fali Major saying, किसने रोका था आपको? बेंगलुरु, हैदराबाद, जयपुर, चेन्नई, कोयम्बटूर, पुणे, मुंबई, दिल्ली में 5 से 6 ब्लास्ट, क्या एक्शन लिया था आपने? और आज जब एक्शन लिया गया, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर, तो उस पर सवाल खड़े करने वाले पूछ रहे कि क्या एक्शन लेंगे, वॉर क्यों नहीं करते पाकिस्तान के साथ? अरे भाई, वॉर करने की नौबत जब आई थी 26/11 के बाद, तो आपने वॉर छोड़ो मोस्ट फेवर्ड नेशन स्टेटस देकर बोला पाकिस्तान इज विक्टिम ऑफ टेरर, छोड़ देते इस बात को। अब आते चिदम्बरम जी के कमेंट पर। टुडे चिदम्बरम जी हैज सेड टू थिंग्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव गॉट टू नो, प्रणेश, दैट देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ टेरर। हर्षवर्धन जी, दो तरीके के टेरर है, स्वदेशी टेरर एंड विदेशी टेरर। स्वदेशी नेता और विदेशी नेता तो सुना था, स्वदेशी टेरर एंड विदेशी टेरर, सेक्युलर टेरर एंड कम्युनल टेरर, गजब है। एंड सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ a statement even more dangerous, that what are the circumstances that lead to the terror. So now I want to ask Mr. Chidambaram, what were the circumstances that led to the killing of Rajiv Gandhi? What were the circumstances that led to the killing of Indira Gandhi? Circumstance बोलकर justify करना, what was the circumstance behind Osama bin Laden becoming terrorist, और बुरहान वानी और याकूब मेमन? And circumstances are the ones that are leading to terrorism. तो कश्मीरी पंडित का कौन सा circumstance कम था? पर उसने तो कभी बंदूक नहीं उठाई। सिख नरसंहार हुआ, उसका कौन सा circumstance कम था? उसने कभी बंदूक नहीं उठाई। ये circumstances नहीं, ये परवरिश और विचारधारा का मामला है। और इसीलिए मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, हिंदू टेरर तो ये चिदम्बरम नहीं बोला था ना। हिंदू टेरर हो सकता है, नो circumstances सर, बट इस्लामिक जिहाद की बात आती है तो इशरत जहां को बचाना है, यही होम मिनिस्टर ने बचाया था। इस्लामिक जिहाद की बात आती है तो no, look at the circumstance.
Let's focus on the circumstance bit.
There is only one terror, and that is Islamic jihadi terror.
निखिल, इसका कोई justification है? The circumstances
lead to terror.
First of all, Pranesh, the BJP spokesperson is lying on your show. There has been no term such as Hindu terror. Nobody ever said Hindu terror. If they have, let him play the proof of that or show the proof of that on your show. He's absolutely lying. So far as the most favored nation statement is concerned, that's again a lie. That was an obligation under the World Trade Agreement, wherein pretty much every other country calls another country
yeah,
most
Nikhil,
favored
come
nation.
on, World Trade.
What did the government?
Nikhil,
what did the government? What? No. He asked. So what did the UPA government do after 26?
इसमें World Trade Organization कहां से आ गया? वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर गिरा दिया था ओसामा बिन लादेन ने, क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस थे?
Pranesh, my friend, my dear friend, you have to understand that most favored nation is given within
I'm
the
not
context of
even asking you the question. You will have to answer the question. You can't, prepare an answer and then match it with a question. At least try and match it. मैं ये बोल रहा हूं, what is this, the second bit of Mr. Chidambaram's comment, where he says, what is the circumstance under which people become terrorists? आप बता दीजिए बुरहान वानी के क्या circumstances थे, अफजल गुरु, याकूब मेमन, दाऊद इब्राहिम?
Pranesh, whenever you are trying to solve a problem, you must understand the cause of the problem. And the cause of the problem is that these individuals are radicalized. What is the atmosphere that leads to this radicalization? At the end of the day, I am only concerned with Chidambaram is only concerned with the lives of Indian citizens. Nobody is concerned with bashing another country or a political party.
Okay, so 1 minute. Now that you know, 1 minute, Dr. Nikhil. Now that you've, diagnosed the cause, doctors are in currency these days. Now that you've diagnosed the cause, इसका prescription क्या है? The medicine is terrorism, you pick up arms?
Certainly not. Whoever picks up arms, our forces are going to
then why make absurd comments like these?
We need to solve the problem of terrorism in this country and not just engage in 56 in bravado saying
this is how you